Our motoring tip of the week concerns service intervals. We've got an email from one of our viewers, Dennis. He says, I'm a senior and like a lot of my peers, I don't put very many kilometers on my car, clocking about 6,000 to 8,000 K annually. Recently, he was looking at a new RAV4 and the salesman told him it only required an oil change every 15,000 kilometers. I think that number is actually 16 to be exact. So he was thinking, well, it's going to take me forever to get 16,000 kilometers. What do I do? Well, Dennis, I checked with a mechanic friend of mine who's at a Toyota dealership, and this has been the case with Toyota and many other manufacturers as well. If you don't reach the kilometer interval within 1 year, then you do an annual, once a year oil change. That would be the bare bones minimum you would want to do. And for a number of reasons, with a brand new car, of course, you want to do that to keep your warranty in force. And you know, you want to keep your car and have it running great years from now. Maybe you hand it to another family member. You want it to have good trade-in value, good resale value. You want to look after it. Now, if you go to the dealership for your oil changes, you're going to get genuine oil filters. If you go to an aftermarket lube shop, you can ask them for an opt-up to get genuine filters. I would strongly suggest you do that. For my customers, everything gets a genuine filter. That's the filter for my pickup, the Corolla air filter, Corolla oil filter, the oil filter for my van, and you got to make sure you use premium quality lubricants as well. And you check them in between intervals, top them up when necessary. You got to stay on top of all this stuff to have really good service from any of your machinery. If you do that, you'll get good service out of machinery that's even stuff I'd consider marginal. I talk to guys with vehicles that, you know, I think are a little shaky. They look after them, had no problem with them. That's your motoring tip of the week.
So here's the question. Where were you 32 years ago? I know some of you weren't even a glint in your father's eye. As for me, well, I was in diapers but found time to get Motoring TV off the ground. And today I like to think we've got one of the best automotive video libraries in the world. If you agree, please give us the thumbs up and also subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.